Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Paddock. I hope that you're doing well. Today for language arts, we're going to be doing some sentence building. I have two worksheets that we're going to be working on, and I'm going to show them to you right away. You're going to need scissors, glue, pencil, and some crayons or pencil crayons, whatever you prefer. And we're going to get to work right now. Okay, so these are the two worksheets. They'll be in your remote learning package for June. One looks like this, it's got a park, and one looks like this, it's got a tree. Okay, what you're going to do first, we're going to start off with this one. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut along the bottom here where there's the dotted line, cut these sight words out, and we're then going to put these sight words in the correct order, glue them down, write the sentence again, and then you're going to draw a picture to go with the sentence. Okay, so we're going to start with this one first. So I've already cut my words out. Here are my sight words. Okay, so here, play, we, like, and to. Now, when we write a sentence, we always start with a capital or uppercase letter, okay? So the beginning of a sentence always has an uppercase or a capital letter, okay? So if we look at our words, which one has an uppercase letter? Very good, the word we. So we're going to use that word, and we're going to glue it right here where there's the glue bottle. So we're going to glue that word on right there. Okay, so the first word in our sentence is going to be the word we. Now, so we know uppercase for the beginning of a sentence, but at the end of a sentence, it always has to have punctuation. Now, punctuation can either be a period, an exclamation, or a question mark. Okay, it depends on the sentence. Now, in this case, which word has punctuation in it? Is it the word here, play, like, or to? Very good, here. So we're going to put that at the end of our sentence. So the word we is at the beginning and the word here is at the end because this is uppercase, capital, and this has punctuation, the period. All right, now we have these three words left. These three sight words are left. We have to figure out which order to put them in. So we're basically going to do, it's kind of like a puzzle, and we're just going to try different pieces in here. So it says, we play like to here. No, we like to play here. Ooh, that really makes sense. We like to play here. You know what? I think that's our order. We like to play here. Okay, so I think that's it. We like to play here. So you're going to glue these sight words in the correct order. We like to play here. And then we're going to write that sentence out here. Okay, so I've got a marker here. Sorry, I just have the one hand to work with. So I'm going to write it again. So we, big W, uppercase W, we like to play here. Period. So don't forget uppercase and don't forget the period. So you're basically copying exactly what you see on this sentence here. We like to play here. Don't forget, you need to have a finger space in between your words. Okay? Sometimes we use a little pinky. Okay? You decide what you need to do. All right, last part is you're going to draw a picture of you and your friends playing at the park. Okay? And maybe you got somebody going up the slide here or somebody coming down the slide. Maybe you got some friends on the swing, but you're going to draw you and your friends playing at the park, and maybe you're kicking a ball as well, whatever you want to do. And then color that picture. So draw the picture to finish it off. So you and your friends playing at the park, and then color it as well. So that's your first worksheet. Okay, thumbs up. Good. Now we're going to move on to the second one, which has the tree. Okay, so for the tree, we're going to, again, cut out at the bottom and cut out those sight words. So I've done that right here. Okay, and the words that we have, let me try and mix them up here. What was it first? Tree, what was it? The and is, that's how it was. Okay, so once you cut those words out, you're going to get something that looks like this. So the sight words are by, it, tree, the, is. Now, again, we've got to put this in the right order. So we can figure out how to do a sentence by thinking of the beginning of a sentence always has an uppercase letter. So which sight word has an uppercase letter? Is it by, it, tree, the, or is? Very good, it's this one here. And they actually made it easy because they put a little star next to it, so it helps you a little bit. So there's an uppercase I, so it. And we know at the end of a sentence, it always ends with a period. So punctuation, either a period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. Here, it's going to be a period. By, tree, the, is, tree has the period. So we're going to glue that one down there. So the beginning, uppercase letter, the end, punctuation. Now we got to figure out which of these words goes in which order. So it, by, the, is, tree. No. It, the, is, by, tree. No. It is by the tree. I think that's it. It is by the tree. It is by the tree. And that's our sentence. It is by the tree. Okay, so uppercase at the beginning, period or punctuation mark at the end. So a period, an exclamation or question mark. Here it's a period. And now we're going to write this out. Same thing you saw before. So it starts with an uppercase I. It is by the tree. Period. Okay? It is by the tree. And you're going to make sure you leave spaces in between each word. That's how we do a sentence. Now, the last part, you're going to draw something by the tree. Now, I don't know what you're going to draw. Maybe you're going to draw a car by the tree or a house by the tree. Something is going to be it, your choice. Maybe it's going to be a rainbow by the tree. Maybe it's, let's see, a present by the tree. I don't know, but it's going to be what you're going to draw by the tree. It is by the tree. So you're not going to draw people because you would say she is by the tree or he is by the tree or they is by the tree. This is a thing. It says it. So it's going to be a thing. A thing is like a house, a car, a rainbow. That's an it. Okay? So draw something by the tree and then color your picture, color your tree and color whatever it is that you drew here. Okay? And there you have it. So those are the two worksheets that you're going to be working on. We're working on sentence building. If you have extra time, you should try and write some sentences, as many sentences as you want, right? Remember the first part of it is always uppercase, so a big letter, capital letter, and then it always ends with punctuation. So I like my mom. I like my dad. You know, things like that, okay? So go ahead, give it a shot. I love you. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Bye.